Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our Python programming language series, we are going to solve today next problem. In this question, they are asking, write a Python program, write a Python program which takes marks, okay? Basically the marks as input and provides the grade as output, okay? Grade. Basically, who have studied in the BTech and intermediate and 10th class, number of places, you would have get this grading system. And they are given the scoring also how from the total marks a student can get is 100 marks, okay? Total 100 marks. If the student got marks from 91 to 100, then he will get A grade, okay? If between 81 to 90, he will get B grade. If it is between 71 to 80, he will get C grade. If it is 61 to 70, then he will get D grade. Or else, if he get 0 mark, 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark, till 50, 59, till 60, if he get any marks, he will get F grade. Okay, F grade. Okay, this is the scenario which we have given. If you observe carefully, how many conditions we have? One, two, three, four, five. Basically, five different types of flows. When we have one flow, when we have only one flow, then we should use if condition. Am I correct? There is one video explaining the conditional statements. If you have any doubt, please watch the video. Okay, coming to this, if there are two flows, either this or that, in the question if they mention either this or that, then in that case we should use if else. Okay, we should use if else. Now if we consider, it's like a different categories. Okay, this is, there are multiple categories, some A, B, C, D and F. There are multiple categories, more than two. If the categories are more than two, then we should use this else if logic. Okay, this is the reasoning. First, you need to understand why we are directly using else if. Why can't we use if? Why can't we use if else? These things you must understand. Then it will be clear. Okay. Now, first, how to solve? Divide the question based on the conditions. Okay, it's like a, see, you people will know the picture. This picture, I guess everyone remembers this picture. Like this, we have a ladder, we have a ladder of conditions. This is known as else if ladder. Now, how to differentiate between A category, B category, C category, D category? Now, first, for this program we need to understand what is input and output. Okay, for this program, input is marks. It's an integer marks is the input. Now what is the output? Output is nothing but the grade. Okay, what is the student grade he got? That is the output we should print on the screen. This is the question. Now how to apply the condition? Now see this, how you will tell. For example, let me solve two questions, two examples. If you got 85 marks, okay, if you got 85 marks, how you will check, how you will tell the grade in your brain, how you will process it? First you will check whether it is greater than 9, greater than 90 or not. If it is yes, you will tell A grade. If it is false, if it is false, then you will come to next category. If it is, if it is between 81 to 90 or not. Yes, if it is between 81 to 90, you will tell B grade. If it is true, will you process next? No, right? No. Just that's all. Our brain also will process like this. Similarly, we will write the program in such a way that how we will solve the same problem. Okay. First, we'll add a check whether if the marks is greater than 90 or not. If the marks is greater than 90, simply we will write print print A, because it's a grade, correct? Now, if the marks is next logic, if this condition fails, we will come to the next logic. If it is greater than 80, if it is greater than 80, what will tell? Just print B. Am I correct? Next, if this condition also goes, next we'll come to the next condition. What the condition they gave? If it is greater than 70, then it is C grade. If it is greater than 60, then D grade. If every condition fails, if every condition fails, then by default he should get F grade. F grade. This is the scenario. Many people can write in different ways. Okay, different ways. What? How we need to judge? How we need to judge? For example, 85 marks. What the grade he will get? B. If it is 75, C. If it is 90, 90 marks. What the grade he will get? See here, 90 also B only. Correct. For 91 to 100 only, they will get A grade. If it is, if it is 91, A. And what are the some edge cases? If he gets in a good case 100, still he will get A. If he gets 81 marks, he will get B. So these are different test cases which I have written. You need to check whether your program will work for all the cases or not. All the cases. If it can work based on your code also, then your code also correct. Okay. Now some people will write here greater than 90 I wrote. Why? Because they are telling between 91 to 100. Some people will write greater than or equal to 91. Both are same. Okay. Many one people has one logic. So if the input and output both are matching, then both of us are correct. Okay. This is the logic. It's very simple. First we need to check for A grade. If it fails, then we should go for B grade. If it fails, then we should go for C grade. If it fails, then we should go for D grade. If in worst case the student got failed, so after all of the cases the program will get terminated. Okay. This is the flow. It's very simple. I hope you people got understood. Now let's write the logic once. Let's try to write in an algorithmic way. Then we will write the program and we will execute and we will see the results. Okay. First, whenever we write a program, we have three things. First, we will take the input, we will process it, and we will give the output. These are the three steps. First, we know what is the input. Input is marks, correct? So that whenever we start the program, our input is marks. Okay. Marks is equals to int of input of. Why? Because marks are integer. So that, so we'll get a marks as an input. Next, what the logic we should apply? We need to process it to find the grade. How we'll find the grade? If the marks are greater than 90, if the marks are greater than 90, we'll print A grade. Else if marks are greater than 80, we'll print B grade. Else if marks are greater than 70, we'll print C grade. Similarly, else if marks greater than 60, we'll print D grade. Else if all the condition fails, then we will print F grade. This is this is the code. It's very simple. What you should understand means how I am writing. First I took the marks. By default we'll get it as a string, so we need to typecast it into integer, so that I used int of input of. Next, marks. If condition is true, this is colon. If colon is true, we should give some indentation, so then we need to write the code. Okay. This is the process. Next, I hope you people understand. If you, we will test with one case. Now we will test with 75 marks. Okay. Whenever we start with the program, we will get a marks as 75. 75 greater than 90, false. 75 greater than 80, false. Next, 75 greater than 70, that is true. It will print C grade. Hence our program is correct. Okay. Now let's execute it and we'll understand. I am using online GDB compiler. You people can see that. Just first we'll get a marks. Correct. I am typecasting. So I am asking the user to enter the marks. Okay. He will enter the marks. If marks greater than 80, I will print A grade. Next, else if marks greater than 80, I will print B grade. Just I am copy pasting. So if it is greater than 70, we should print C grade, or else if it is greater than 60, we should print D grade. Yeah, that's all. Whatever the algorithm we have written, similar steps we have written in the Python language. Okay. Now, if we run this, what the marks, for example, if 91 is the marks, we should print A grade. See, we are getting the A grade. Now, we'll test with some other scenarios also. For example, if the marks are 85, for 85, what it should do? It should print B grade. Now let's see. Yeah, it is printing B grade. Now, if he got 5 marks only, 5 marks only, then he should get F grade. Yeah, he's getting the F grade. So all the test cases which we thought If you execute, all are running perfect. Hence, this is correct. If you may have some different logic, you can write it. If the test cases are passing, then we both are correct. For a code, there is a number of ways. This is the one way which I have selected. You can also write in the some other code. I hope you people understood this video. If you have any doubts, you can post in the comment section. And if you really like this video, please share with your friends and colleagues, and give me a small comment and subscribe. Okay. Okay, guys. Meet you in the next video.